Hi everyone, welcome back to Kids Learning Note, where learning is always fun and exciting. Today we're going to learn about something super cool in grammar, pronouns. And guess what? I have two amazing helpers with me today. Meet Jade and Javi. Say hi guys. Hi guys, I'm Jade.
Hi guys, I'm Javi.
Are you ready to dive into the world of pronouns? Ready? Let's go! What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. For example, instead of saying Sarah is reading, we can say she is reading. The word she is a pronoun. Let us look at some other examples. We have singular pronouns such as he, she, and it. Plural pronouns such as we and they. We use a singular pronoun when talking about just one noun. We use a plural pronoun when talking about more than one noun. That sounds cool.
Can we try one?
Absolutely. Here is a sentence. Tom is playing cricket. What pronoun can we use instead of Tom? We can say he is playing cricket. That's right, Jade. Good job. Now, let's practice some more examples. Here is the game. I'll read a sentence and you will replace the noun with the correct pronoun. Ready? Anna is eating ice cream. What is the pronoun for Anna?
She.
Awesome, Javi. Anna is replaced by she. Let's do another one. The cat is sleeping on the mat. What is the pronoun for the cat? It. Yes, it is correct. You two are pronoun pros. Now, let's make it a little bit more fun. I have some sentences with blanks. You will choose the right pronoun to fill in the blank. Let's go. Number 1. This is my brother. Blank is very funny. Number 2. Sarah and I are best friends. Blank love to play together. Number 3. The dog is wagging its tail. Blank is so happy. Alright, let's look at the answers. Number 1. This is my brother. He is very funny. Number 2. Sarah and I are best friends. We love to play together. Number 3. The dog is wagging its tail. It is so happy. Great job, everyone. You nailed today's activity. Can you remind everyone what pronouns are, Javi and Jada? Pronouns take the place of nouns.
Like he, she, it, and we.
That's right. You both are grammar geniuses. To all our viewers, practice using pronouns at home or in your writing. They are super helpful and fun to use. Thanks for learning with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time on Kids Learning. Bye! Bye everyone!
Bye, everyone.